take a review who flies solo. I always like to run a hefty bike filled to the brim with my trusty drone, gimbal, cameras and all sorts of accessories. To be honest, I just want to kill myself after each outdoor shooting. So recently when Hypershell reached out to me with the latest robotic exoskeleton prototype, with its claim of offsetting 30 kilograms of weight and boasting fancy features like an AI motion engine and a boosted speed of 20 kilometers per hour, I couldn't wait to get my hands on it. After all, wouldn't this be the ultimate dream product to enhance my productivity? In this video, I tested it in various scenarios like walking, running, climbing, and even biking. I just share all my authentic experience using it and tell you whether this is a game-changing auxiliary product that truly helps or just another useless wizardry that's a waste of money. Let's get it started. Alright, first to the design. So on the top there is a key here. So when you press, you can adjust to different sizes. Like I'm fat, so I need a bigger size, you know. You thin, you need a small one. That's it. And then we have two batteries on each side here. Press to take it out, and that's it. There's one here. So two batteries together provides 25 kilometers range, so that should be enough, right, for you one day hiking. And moving down a little bit, we have two nuts here, which to connect your waistband, which I show that in a second. And then here is the leg support, and that's basically is the Hypershell main unit. So it's to be honest, it is a little bit heavier than I thought, but considering this is a prototype, so yeah, we'll reduce the weight as in mass production. Now let's just wheel it. So this is the waistband. Let's assemble it. You just press here. When you hear click, that means you installed it successfully. All right, that's it. Now here we go. Let me wheel it. Oh. Oh, highly flexible. That's it. Oh, when I'm wearing it, it's not that heavy actually. Feels very comfortable because it has the span, Woo! So now the leg part. Okay, if you feel it's loose, you can adjust it tight to fit your leg. And that's it. Woo! I feel comfortable, so I just cannot wait to try it out. To use it, there is a power key here. You press and hold. Okay, you press and hold for 1 second to turn it on. As you can see, the green indicator light up, and now it's in safe mode. I already feel like there is the force to drag, to push your leg, but now it's in safe mode. So you have to raise your leg to activate it. And now we are ready to go. So let's go! This is so fun! This is so fun! It's like they have force, two hands, push your legs, So you can do the minimum work. This is so fun! This is so fun! All right. This is so fun! Woo! Woo! See? I didn't use that much force. Let's test more. Alright, right now we're testing the stair climbing. By the way, they have a mode called Hyper mode. You just double press. Once you see the indicator turns to red, that means you are in Hyper mode. That means give you the max force, So let's test if this thing can give me any help. Let's go! Woo-hoo! Woo! They literally have this kind of force to push, to drag your legs. Alright, so that is the stair climbing test. To To be honest, though, it's my first time to use a Hypershell. Definitely helps when you go upstairs. Like I said before, it has this kind of force, right? Like 2 hands drag your legs forward to push forward. So you can just use the minimum energy, you know, and enjoy climbing and just let the Hypershell do the hard work. And when you go downstairs, you probably don't want it to drag you forward, right? Otherwise you will be, you know, rolling down the stairs. And this is where the intelligent part, it has this kind of resistant mode. So when you go downstairs, it kind of push you back. It becomes slower and more comfortable and wants to protect your knees, right? So, woo! I just feel like I can still go another 10 kilometers stair climbing. So let's go! Alright, another thing you might care about is the noise. I didn't notice at all, but if you are interested, here you go. Alright, that is the noise test. To be honest, I didn't even notice that when I'm outside, because the outside environment is already noisy enough, so you don't need to worry about the noise. I also find that the that kind of sound is very interesting. It feels like I'm a cyberpunk, you know. So it's interesting. So it's like I'm a reinforced robot, you know. So I'm not afraid of anything when I'm outside. So, of course, I had to put Hypershell to the test while biking. Reviewing e-bikes is my bread and butter when I'm out and about, so I really care about how it performs in that regard. At first, I thought the leg support would get in the way of my pedaling, but it didn't. I was able to enjoy a good cycling experience like I did in the past, but now it's even better because I can pedal with less effort whether I'm on a well-maintained cement pavement or a rough mountain road. Speaking of cycling, you might have noticed that I'm not dressed for your typical bike ride. That's because wearing a cycling jersey wouldn't show off the product properly. The design of Hypershell is low profile and not as flashy as some of the other robotic exoskeletons I've seen before. So when you're wearing it, especially with black clothes, you're blending in with the crowd. You get to enjoy the benefits of the exoskeleton without drawing too much attention to yourself. But for those of you who aren't as into cycling or climbing, I tested out how comfortable and nimble it was for several hours of normal walking. Another feature you might be curious about is portability. I found it easy to just hang on the outside of my bag and carry it around. It's also waterproof with an IP54 rating, meaning it can withstand water sprays from all directions. My cameraman put this to the test, but I ended up pouring most of the water on my pants because I want to get a slow motion shot and tried multiple times. Not my brightest idea. People would think this is pee, you know? The battery life is also impressive. I used it heavily for 4 or 5 hours of shooting. I still had plenty of charge left. Unfortunately, I cannot show you exactly how much is left because it's not displayed on the exoskeleton itself. However, it would be easy to display this information using the LEDs on the Hypershell, and the company has told me that they are working on adding this feature to the app shortly. To conclude, I must say that I'm thoroughly impressed by this exoskeleton product. The first time I put it on, it felt so refreshing and exciting that I couldn't help but be amazed. It's perfect for those who plan on embarking on long outdoor adventures, since it's lightweight and compact, which means it won't take up much space in your backpack. Plus, it's really easy to use. You don't have to learn anything. It comes with different modes for different scenarios, making it energy efficient and allowing you to enjoy more of your surroundings. And even if you are someone like me who spends a lot of time biking, it's still a great fit. Finally, let me just share my original on-spot experience with you right after using it to prove that I'm not making things up. Alright, so I've been with the thing for about like 4 or 5 hours, and we tried different things like stair climbing, slope walking, you know, different things. So my conclusion, overall, I feel really comfortable, especially this part. Because of this band, actually it gives you kind of support for your waist, so this is really comfortable. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this product, and I would like to try more once they ship the official version, and we'll update you with another review if you are interested. So that's the video. If you are interested in this product, please check the link in the description and back them now. They have raised more than $600 US. 600,000. They have raised more than 600,000 US. So yeah, definitely give it a try if you are interested. So let's keep crushing.